Today we're going to talk about intro paragraph structure. So your intro paragraph consists of a topic sentence, a thesis statement, and a closing or transition sentence. So that's going to be a total of about 3 to 5 sentences. So you've got one for topic sentence, 1 to 3 for thesis, and then one for the transition sentence. Your topic sentence should give the reader an idea of what the essay is about. Your thesis is going to answer the prompt and give a sneak peek of the body paragraphs, and your closing is going to transition to the next paragraph. I'm going to go more in depth on all of these. So topic sentence. An optional thing you could include is a hook or an attention getter. So that'd be something like a joke that is related to what you're talking about, or a question, or just an intriguing fact. It's not necessary, but if you are someone who wants to add that, you sure can. You need the title of the book properly formatted in italics. You need the author of the book, Sue Monk Kidd, and then a brief sneak peek into what the paragraph will be about. Now, the topic sentence is not your thesis statement, so it doesn't have to be super long. It can just be talking about the fact that we are discussing characters that change. For example, my example comes later, whoops. So here are my pro tips. Assume the reader, me, has never read the book, okay? Don't assume I know what you're talking about. You're going to have to explain everything. Do not use I, me, myself, any of those personal pronouns. No, this is not a personal essay or narrative. It's an analysis, so you have to act like you're the expert on the subject, and you have to be confident, and everything that you write needs to be as if it is the correct answer. So there's no, this is how I feel, this is how I think. Nope, that's not an option. All right, topic sentence. I use the movie Shrek for all of my examples today. So in the movie Shrek, it's italicized, directed by Andrew Adamson and Vicki Jensen, that'd be like your author, has a variety of characters who experience significant change throughout the story. So I know that we're talking about Shrek, I know who directed it, and I know that we're talking about characters who change. Boom. That's a solid topic sentence. Shrek is a character who I think changes the most in this movie. That doesn't tell me what the movie title is. It doesn't tell me a sneak peek of really what we're doing. Like, changes from what? We don't really know, right? So that is a bad topic sentence. So it's just a reminder. We just did topic sentence. Now we're going to do a thesis statement. Thesis statement. Remember the assignment. In the description that I gave you on that document, it says that your essay is going to explore a significant internal change of the character. Okay, this is super important. They change from blank to blank. What causes and contributes to that change? So don't you dare say that he got a haircut halfway through and that's a change. It's not significant internal change. Each body paragraph needs to focus on the specific causes of that change. So you're looking at like 3 causes. And then your evidence is going to come in your body paragraphs. Your thesis statement should answer the prompt and give a sneak peek of the 3 body paragraphs, and you're looking at 1 to 3 sentences. It's okay if it's more than 1. It should answer these 2 questions. How does the character transform or change, and what are 3 moments or experiences or factors that contribute to this change? Here are my examples. The character Shrek changes from a disagreeable ogre to a trusting friend. He experiences relationships with Fiona, Donkey, and Lord Farquaad that greatly affect how he treats others. Now this is good because we've got an answer to the transformer change. We've got changes from blank to blank, so from disagreeable to trusting. And then we've got a sneak peek. We're talking about relationships with Fiona, 1, Donkey, 2, Lord Farquaad, 3, which tells us that 1, 2, and 3, those are going to be our body paragraphs. This one is not a good one because it says Shrek changes into a good guy because he found friends. It's too simple. It's too vague. She changes from what to what we don't know. It's too broad. It implies that there's only 1 paragraph instead of 3 following paragraphs because he found friends is just one thing. So that does not merit a 5-paragraph essay. Again, we're moving on to closing transition now. So final sentence of your transition, or should transition into what the focus of your first paragraph will be, or it can kind of bring the topic of the current paragraph to a close. So 2 examples of that would be, all of his newfound friendships help him to become a more dynamic character. That's an example of just kind of bringing the topic to a close. Or you could say, every new relationship he has affects him in some way, but perhaps one of the most transformative relationships he has is with Princess Fiona. And that tells me that the next paragraph is going to focus more on that relationship. Okay? And then here are some bad examples. This is why Shrek is a dynamic character. Nope, do not just state the obvious. Those are my reasons for this essay. Again, stating the obvious, and you used my. Now I will tell you about Fiona. Nope, do not ever say, now I'm going to do this, then I will do this. It's not about you, it is an analysis. So to conclude, you've got a topic, sentence, thesis statement, closing statement. So that's 3 to 5 sentences if it's a quality intro paragraph. You don't need to get like 10 sentences. 3 to 5 is a really good number, maybe 6. So here is our full example paragraph. In the movie Shrek, directed by Andrew Adamson and Vicki Jensen, the movie Shrek, directed by Andrew Adamson and Vicki Jensen, has a variety of characters who experience significant change throughout the story. The character Shrek changes from a disagreeable ogre to a trusting friend. He experiences relationships with Fiona, Donkey, and Lord Farquaad that greatly affect how he treats others. Every new relationship he has affects him in some way, but perhaps one of the most transformative relationships he has is with Princess Fiona. That is a fabulous intro paragraph, if I do say so myself. All right, now that we've done the lesson for today, I want you to click this link and take the quiz for intro and thesis information. So if you click on it, it should bring you to a website called Quizzes. There should be no need to log in. I've already taken it just to test it, but you'll be able to put your name here. Please do write your actual name so that I can see that you took the quiz, and then there will be an option to play the game. All right, that's it.